Could dining out ever become a completely human-free experience? The restaurant industry, a cornerstone of human interaction and community, has been subtly infiltrated by artificial intelligence and automation. This profound shift has the potential to change the way we eat, socialize, and even connect as a society. In the not-so-distant past, the restaurant industry was a space untouched by the technological revolution. Waiters and chefs were the heart and soul of the industry, while customers sought the human touch in their dining experiences. But as with all sectors, change was inevitable. The early adoption of AI in the restaurant industry was cautious, yet intriguing. Fast food giant McDonald's dipped its toes into the AI waters in 2019, testing AI-powered ordering in 10 Chicago-based restaurants. The results were promising, with an impressive 85% accuracy rate in recognizing orders. But McDonald's wasn't alone in this venture. Around the same time, other food chains such as White Castle, Taco Bell, Panera Bread, and Popeyes began experimenting with AI technology, specifically in their drive-through lanes. The aim was simple: to streamline the ordering process, improve service, and mitigate labor supply issues. Fast forward to today, and the use of AI in the restaurant industry is no longer experimental, it's becoming the norm. White Castle plans to implement AI-powered voice bots in 100 drive-through lanes by the end of this year. Similarly, Checkers and Rally's has already deployed voice AI in 390 of its restaurants. The current state of AI adoption in the restaurant industry is both fascinating and thought-provoking. With the labor crisis hitting the industry hard, more and more chains are turning to automation as a potential solution. According to a report by the National Restaurant Association, 58% of restaurant operators expect the use of technology and automation to alleviate labor shortages to become more common in the coming year. This video has taken a deep dive into the evolving relationship between the restaurant industry and artificial intelligence. It began with the early adoption of AI, where fast food chains like McDonald's began testing AI-powered ordering systems. It then traced the journey to the current state, where AI is no longer a novelty but a necessity for many restaurant chains. The key points to remember are the growing reliance on AI due to the labor crisis, the increasing adoption of AI across various chains, and the potential for a future where dining out could become a largely automated experience. The future of the restaurant industry is as exciting as it is uncertain, but one thing is clear: artificial intelligence has booked a permanent reservation. And it's here to stay.